Yes. Good morning, everyone.
Yeah, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
I will wait
Just
one
one
more
minute.
minute. At exact 10:15, I will start the class. Exact 10:15, I will start the class. Be ready with your maths notebooks. Kevna, stop reading whatever you are doing right now in the class. Please stop it now. Anya, turn on your camera. Ekansh, turn on your camera, please. Yes, it's 10:15. Take out and write some practice sums of division.
Ma'am, you can pin my another device.
No problem. Write it in your notebook.
But ma'am, I'm showing something.
Okay. Where are you, Visha? Yes. Where you are visible or where you are not there, there I put to pin. Yes, Twisha, please
Good
show
morning,
me.
ma'am.
Good morning. I can see the students are joining 1 minute late. For
Ma'am, did
them,
you
I am
saw
not
that?
going to repeat that what are we doing. Sorry for that. Yes, Twisha?
Ma'am, did you saw that?
No.
Ma'am, you can pin my another device,
Hmm.
which are not speaking.
Okay.
Okay, now wait.
Hmm. Okay, very nice. You made this?
Yes, ma'am.
Nice. Okay, I request everyone to turn on the cameras, please. And what I am going to start, I will not repeat for the students, those who have joined late. Sorry for that. So, students, write the in your notebooks practice questions 8.59 divided by 10. Tell me the answer. Second, divided by 100. Tell me the answer. 1.92 divided by 10. Give me the answer.
Ma'am, please can I tell Arna?
Ma'am, can
I
I
will
say the
wait.
answer?
First, let me write all the questions and then I will call your name. Yes. Arna, tell me the answer for this one.
Ma'am, it will be 0.8559.
0.859.
Ma'am, in
Karna,
the
tell me the
second,
next one.
ma'am, in the second one, where is the decimal?
Here.
Okay.
Karna, tell me the second answer. Your answer, mic is mute.
You can Ma'am,
Yes, Karna. No Kana in my class and no hand raising in my class. Please stop raising your hand. Lower down your hand. Lakshya, mute your mic, please.
Mama, please go side. The bowl will be please.
Visible now?
No man, little but
Log out and log in again. It is visible to everyone. Please log out and log in again. Yes, Karna. Give me the second answer fast.
ma'am,
It's
2.156.
2.156. Is it correct, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next will be Ridan. Ridan, Ayush, you
Yes.
are late in my class today. Ridan, tell me the next third answer.
Yes, ma'am. 1 point.
1 point is already there. Now you have to divide by 10, so the point decimal will be shift towards the left side.
When can I say?
No, can I say, and no raising hand option. I will call your name. Ruta Chajadia, stop raising your hand. Yes, Ridan, give me the answer.
19
Hmm.
point.
Sorry, it will not shift right side. The point will shift left side.
Ma'am, can Twisha say?
In the decimal, the point will shift left side.
Ma'am,
Yes, Rahil. Ha ha.
0.192.
0.192. Yes. Next, Rahil will give me the answer for the fourth one.
Yes, ma'am. Then 0.00.
0.00 because it will shift from here to the two
Yes, ma'am.
places.
Two
Nothing
places.
is here. We will put 0 and then
Zero.
decimal.
And
0
0, ma'am.
point 00
0852.
852. Very good, Rahil.
And don't drop it and write it.
Write the fifth one.
Done.
1.2 divided by 1000. There will give me this answer. Is it there in the class?
Yes, ma'am, I'm there, but my camera is not working.
Okay.
Ma'am, it will come in the left side 0.0012.
The point was here and it will shift from here the three places. 1, 2 and the 3. Then decimal. Then 0, 2. Is it correct, students? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Done. Yes, ma'am.
Please write down in your notebooks fast.
Ma'am, done.
Giving you 1 minute time. Please write down. Then I will erase it.
Done, ma'am.
I'm going to erase it.
Until the 2 seconds.
Lakshya, you need to be fast, Pacha.
Because it might after 2
I don't want to listen anything because my dear, the other students will not wait. Please do fast.
Ma'am, where the decimal in the fourth sum?
Let me correct it. 0.852.
Done, ma'am.
Mohit, excellent. Joining now. Very good, Mohit. I don't know, in this class, the children are not following the classroom. Anytime they can come in the class and anytime they can leave the class. In spite of talking with their parents, giving them the reminders, then also they are following the rule. Where they not writing anything in the notebook, just playing.
Reenu ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, actually, we are going somewhere, but I'll still attend the class. I'll not be able to write, but I'll take the screenshots and I will copy it afterwards.
Okay. I'm erasing now. Write the heading next question. Question number 1. Next, use the new page. Use new page. Write question number 1. Division of decimal numbers by whole number. A division of decimal number by whole number. Means here one number will be the decimal and the another number will be without the decimal. How you are going to divide that? Sum number 1. 8.4 divided by 7. Here 8.4 is a dividend and 7 is a divisor. So this is dividend, this is divisor, you know, right? The same way जैसा कि आप डिवीजन करते हैं वैसे ही डिवीजन करेंगे, पर डेसिमल की जगह डेसिमल लगेगा. 7 right in the divisor, write 8.4 in the dividend. Okay, now follow the same rule the way you are doing the division, but wherever is the decimal you put the decimal in the question. जैसे ही dividend में decimal, let me speak first. Let me explain and then ask the query related with this. Kevna, mute yourself, please, and turn on your camera, please. And Daksh, stable your camera, please. Don't move here and there. Daksh. Now, the same way you will divide, the way you are dividing, but please take a note that the way, where is the decimal is there in the dividend, you have to put the decimal in the quotient. 7 ones are 7. When you do subtract, 1 will come, and decimal is here. Decimal will move to the quotient. It will not come down. Okay? It will move to the quotient. Now 4 will come down.
So, ma'am, we can do 7 to the
14.
Ma'am,
And when you subtract, the answer will be 0. Yes,
ma'am,
Kevna?
can I answer? Yes, ma'am.
And I have a query.
Ma'am, I also have a query. That
Yes,
we
please,
have
Kevna.
we have to divide the same way as we divide in normal way.
Yes, yes. But जहां decimal आ जाएगा, जैसे ही वो decimal move हो जाएगा quotient में.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Trisha, tell me.
Ma'am, if any remainder will come, then remainder will
Keep
not
on,
come anywhere.
वो भी situation आएगी, मैं वैसे sums भी आपको explain करूँगी. If any remainder is coming, तो हमें कैसे divide करते जाना है last तक, ठीक है? This sum is clear to everyone and noted down by everyone. Yes,
Ma'am.
No, ma'am, I'm writing.
Yes, Samriddhi, good. Yes, Rudra, please speak. आप मैम भी बोलते रहेंगे.
Ma'am, instead of 8, if we write 1, 1, 2 and we divide by 7, so when the question will come of 1, 1, 2, so after that only we have to add the point.
ये 1.2. You are saying this.
112.4.
112.4. हाँ, जब तक आपका डेसिमल नहीं आता तब तक वो डेसिमल क्वेश्चन में मूव नहीं होगा.
Okay.
तब तक आप डिवीजन करते जाएंगे. फर्स्ट सम इज क्लियर. कैन आई रेज द बोर्ड?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Rudra master.
Ma'am, if the decimal is in between two numbers, so we have to put decimal between two numbers only.
And it depend on the situation. आपने पहले इसको किया डिवाइड, फर्स्ट नंबर आपका डिवाइड हो गया, सेकंड नंबर के बाद डेसिमल है तो वो डेसिमल आपका क्वेश्चन में मूव हो जाएगा, then move to the next number. My dear, when you do the practice, I have a 6 to 7 sums for you today. जब आप धीरे धीरे प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो your doubts will be cleared. Am I clear with you all?
Yes.
Can I erase now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Be fast, ध्यान दिलाना. It was 8.4 divided by 7. Do this.
That I have done.
So I am erasing this one only. Write the next sum. 7.5 divided by 5. अब ये sum उसी तरीके से है जैसा कि मैंने आपको last sum दिया. Solve this and give me the answer. This sum is same as the first sum. Solve this and give me the answer, students.
Ma'am, I think so. It's 5.
Answer.
Ma'am,
will be
can I
five.
tell?
What is
Ma'am,
the
can I
question?
tell the answer?
No, Arna is doing practice.
Ma'am, Khevna.
Yes, Kevna.
Ma'am,
No, ma'am, I did mentally it's 1.5.
Yes,
1.5.
1.5, ma'am.
Yes. So 5 will be here. 7.5 will be here. There, are you clear? Okay. So 5 ones are 5. Subtract it, 2 will come. When decimal is coming, move the decimal to the quotient. 5 will come down, and 5 5s are 25. Subtract it, 0 will come. So your quotient is, your answer is, in the division, the answer is the quotient 1.5.
5.
Done?
Yes.
Done, everyone? Do it fast.
ma'am, done.
Yes, ma'am.
Do it little fast, my dear. I have 6 to 7 sums for you to
Ma'am,
practice
done.
today. Very good that you are doing. Yes. Can I erase the board?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Half done.
Yes, please. Freya, are you clear?
yes, ma'am.
Any confusion to any child? Can I erase the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Write the third sum. 34.08 divided by, now you can see 2 digits are coming in the whole number. So please pay attention here how we do. Same way, the way we do the division. 34.08, write in the dividend. Write the divisor as 8. In the table of 8, 3 is not coming. But in the table of 8, 34 or less than 34 is coming or not?
Yes,
How
ma'am.
many times?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
4s are
Ma'am, 32 is coming. Ma'am,
34.
Yes,
Ma'am, can I
ma'am.
say-
8 4 the 32. Ma'am, we
Aryaman,
can,
any doubt?
ma'am, we can remove the 0.
Ma'am, can I say the answer?
Wait. I don't want answer right now. Till here, any doubt to any child?
Ma'am, we can remove the 0.
Where 0? No, wait, I will let you know what to do with it. क्यों remove करेंगे? 0 नीचे आएगा बच्चा. यहाँ तक clear है ये first step. Now subtract it. Decimal is coming, decimal will go up. 0 will come down. Okay? 0 will come down. Kevna has done, completed this one also. Kevna?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am. The answer is 4.26.
Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So 8 4s are 16. Sorry, 8 2s are 16. Subtract it. It will come 4. 8 will come down now. So in the table of 8, 48 comes how many times?
6.
8 6 are 48.
4.26.
Yes, the answer is 4.26.
Ma'am, in
Yes.
the question before the decimal, there are 2 numbers.
Yeah. 2 numbers also, beta. Don't confuse Twisha. Tusha, your voice is not coming clearly. Tusha, we had done, हमने कुछ changes किया, हमने उसी तरीके से divide किया, the way we are dividing, right? So don't get yourself confused. Divide करते जाओ, जहाँ decimal है, move the decimal to the question.
Okay.
Any confusion till here?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, please ask.
Ma'am, how do you know where to put the decimal in this?
I said no, wherever the decimal is, that decimal will move to the question. जैसे ही decimal आता है आपका.
So, ma'am, if the question you told 34.08. So the answer will come. We have to put decimal before 2 number.
My dear, learn नहीं करना है आपको. वो तो ठीक है 2 numbers के पहले, but you have to see the method also. 8 4s are 32. We have done. Then the decimal is coming. Then that decimal will move to the question. आपको इतना याद रखना है.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And you are also correct कि 2 in the dividend it is after the 2 numbers. Your decimal in the question also come after the 2 numbers.
Yes, ma'am.
That you are also correct, but you divide the way I have done the division. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Can I give you the next sum?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, children, next sum is 3.6 divided by 9. Dividend is 3.6 and the divisor is 9. अब जो ये है 3, पहले वाली सिचुएशन में क्या था? फर्स्ट सम विच यू हैव डन 8.4.
Can I say the answer?
Just a minute, I don't want answer. I want to explain the concept to the students.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, please, there.
Ma'am, in this 9, we can do 9 fours are 36 direct.
बेटा मैं अभी उसका कॉन्सेप्ट समझा दूं धैर्य. In the first sum you have done 8.4 divided by 7 and which is जो डिविडेंड का 8 है which is greater than 7. जब greater than 7 है तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बट जब less than आता है when the dividend is less than the divisor तो हमें क्या करना है? Clear? When the dividend is less than the divisor, ये जो डिविडेंड है ये 3 है which is less than the 9. 9 is greater. इस कंडीशन में क्या आता है? हम पहले 0 लगा देते हैं. Clear? What we do? We first put the 0, then decimal की situation आ गई, then put the decimal. Now we considered it 36.
0 minus 3.
See, 9 zeros are 0, है ना? So 3 minus 0 is 3. Now the 6 will come down. यहाँ तक any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Now 36 easily will come. 9 fours are 36. धैर्य समझ में आया? हमने डायरेक्टली 4 क्यों नहीं किया? हमें डेसिमल भी तो पुट करना है.
Yes, ma'am, understood.
Yes. Please do this.
Ma'am, done.
Done, ma'am.
Done, everyone?
Yes.
Can I give you the next
Done,
sum?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Can give us the next sum.
Please do this. Any doubt to any child till here? Dhyan Chile, are you writing in your notebooks or you are just watching here on the screen? Dhyan Chile, I'm talking to you. आप कुछ लिख रहे हैं ध्यान चिले? कुछ नहीं सुनते हैं. I don't know what he is doing.
I think
Kevna, lower down your hand.
I think he's a fracture on his leg and he doesn't respond because Catherine ma'am has already talked to Dhyan's mom that he doesn't respond.
He left the class.
Ma'am, are there more?
Yes, there are more. This is done.
Yes.
Can I erase now?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now same one digit वाला sum मैं आपको देती हूँ. You have to do the fifth sum and tell me the answer. 2.1 divided by 7. अब धैर्य के तरह कुछ students है, they will tell me, ma'am, can we do directly 7 3 the 21? A 3 will
Ma'am,
not
this
be
is the
doable.
same way. Ma'am, this is the same way. Only we have to add 0 and 10.
Yes.
0.3. 0.3.
0.3
Ma'am,
will be the
0.3.
question. Yes, please do it. Done. Kevna is very fast today.
Ma'am, I'm very good at maths division. That's the problem.
That's the problem. Oh, that is the positive thing. Good. 7. Samriddhi, are you clear? No. I know Samriddhi is not clear because Samriddhi will be till the last in the problem.
And the answer is 20. No,
Ma'am, you are not
0.3.
clear, no, Samriddhi?
And she will not be clear because Samriddhi is Samriddhi.
Okay. So 7 zeros are 0 minus 2. 1 will come down. Decimal will go up because decimal is here. So 7
Threes
threes
are
are
21.
21.
Remainder 0.
So the question
Answer
is
is
0.3. Karna, are you clear? Rahil, Karna, Ridan, Anushka, clear? Mr. Master.
Yes.
I'm writing.
Yes, yes, please write. Yes, very good. Yes, Ekansh, tell me.
If it will be 4.8 divided by 8, so the answer will be simple, ma'am.
0.6. Yes.
Means we have to divide first.
क्योंकि डिविडेंड जो है वो डिवाइजर से छोटा है, तो आप पहले स्टार्ट 0 से करेंगे.
But the easiest way would be first you have to multiply.
हाँ, when you are good in this ना, एकांश, जब आप इसमें गुड हो जाओगे तो आप डायरेक्ट भी कर सकते हो.
And then we have to just add 0 at the left side of it.
Yes, Rudra, good. Can I give you the next sum?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. You can erase that one.
2.48 divided by 4. 2.48 divided by 4.
Ma'am, can
2.48 divided by 4. Can I erase this one, fifth one?
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I see the answer?
Ma'am, can I?
Samriddhi, you will give the answer?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I want to say the answer.
0.6.
I will try it.
Ma'am, it will be 0.62.
Very good, Trisha.
Ma'am, 0.6.
Karnav, you are doing?
Ma'am, first we will write 0 at top, and after 2 we will at down we will write 0. Then we will
Subtract.
Yeah, we will subtract it. Then answer will
A
be
decimal will go decimal. Up. 4 will come down.
4 will come down.
Now in the table of 4, 24 comes how many times?
6 times.
6 times. समृद्धि, पीछे से बहुत आवाज है.
8 will come down.
Now we subtract.
We will subtract it. It will
8
be
will come down,
8 down.
and 4 2s are 8. Becomes 0. Done.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I understood it.
Ma'am, I'm writing.
Ma'am,
Don't
you
erase
write the
that.
7th one.
Okay, I'm not erasing. I'm not erasing.
Ma'am, in the side.
Okay.
Can you give the next question?
Yes, I'm giving you. Let the students to complete this.
The side one.
But answer I will give.
Ma'am, after the line we have done.
What happened, Rudra? Rudra, what happened?
Nothing.
You were telling something, no?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, write the question after the line you have done.
What line I have done?
Ma'am, in between that both 6 sums you have done a line.
I will erase it.
Right over the
No, वो मुझे explain करना पड़ेगा. I need the space. Aryaman, your camera is off also today. You are coming and going also today. What is happening? Ayush, you are not visible to me properly. Daksh Patel, you also not visible me properly. Gunav, turn on your camera. Mohit, turn on your camera and sit in the class. Aryaman, you are not visible properly. अब अंधेरे में बैठे. If you have enough space and light at your place, then why you not sitting properly? Okay, now can I erase the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. No, ma'am. I'm writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Please write.
Ma'am,
Children, when we come after the holidays, no, we will learn the division of the decimal number with the decimal number. Today we have done decimal with the whole number, right? Now in the next class, when we come after the Diwali break, we will learn how to divide the decimal number with the decimal number.
Ma'am, I think it will be the same method.
Method will be same. Whenever you think in the mind, no, that I will not understand, then it will be sure you will not understand. But when you keep the positive thing in your mind that
I
yes,
will understand.
I will understand and I can do it, then surely you will do it. Clear? So always keep a positive attitude towards the maths.
After the trick, it would be easy, like it is,
Yes.
like multiplication and division rule.
Yes, Rudra.
Ma'am, I had joined 1 month ago a memory power training that sir had told me keep positive thinking so you will become our
Yes, in
famous
mathematics,
doctor.
you require a lot of positive thinking. You come prepare in the class, no, today I will do. Don't come in like this that no, I will not able to
Ma'am.
understand. If you keep a negative thinking, no, then sorry, फिर आपको कोई नहीं समझा सकता maths.
Exam, everyone learns and then think next day I will forgot everything. So they have forgot only. But if you think that I will not forget,
Do you know that maths is my favorite subject? Is my favorite subject. So what I used to do, what I do is I think okay, the maths is easy. I'll do it. And I just do it. And then just silly mistake. Then I get back down.
Okay, now let's see here. I have written something. Now zero is coming. What to do with this zero?
0,
Ma'am, can I say
5 zeros are 0.
5 zeros are 0?
Then decimal.
There is telling. Let him try.
Ma'am, then 5 zeros are 0, then 5 tens are 15, or 50, 5 0, 50.
कहाँ से 50 बच्चा डेसिमल नहीं जाएगा क्या अपनी जगह पे?
Oh yeah, sorry, decimal, then 5
6
tens,
will come down.
6 will come down. Then
एक टाइम पे एक ही वैल्यू डाउन आती है और उसमें अगर जाता है तो वी राइट नो 5 1 जा 5 करेंगे कि नहीं?
yeah, 5 ones are 5, and then 1 will come, so 12
2 will come down.
so it will become 12.
0.125.
Yes, ma'am. 0.125.
125.
Ma'am.
So 5 2s are, yes, Gevna, I can see you have done. 5 2s are 10. Yes or no? My
Yes,
dear,
ma'am.
I think I need to start from the top because I will not get enough space. Let me erase it.
Ma'am, answer is
0.6.
0.125.
1 2. ध्यान दिलाओ.
1 to 4.
No.
1 to
1 to 5. 0.625. 5 zeros are 0. Decimal will go 6. ध्यान रखना, decimal will move to only quotient. It will not come down. Please remember, जिसमें भी हम decimal only move to the quotient. We have to bring 6 down. 5 ones are 5. Subtract. Now 2 will come down. 5 2s are 10. Subtract. 2 is here. Right? So
Then
again 5
5
will come. 5 5s are 25. Subtract 0 0 is coming. Done?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Now I am giving you one sum. You please try it. Sum number 8. 0.0624 divided by 6.
Ma'am, in division we can. Ma'am, in division we cannot ignore those.
No, we cannot ignore the 0. जो आगे की 0 है उनसे पास होते जाना है हमें 0. Please do this sum. 0.0624 divided by 6 and give me the answer. This is your last sum. This is your last sum. Please do, Vivan Balchandani. Turn on your camera, please. I don't know what you have done behind the screen.
Ma'am, done.
What is the answer, Kevna?
Ma'am, the answer is 0.01.4.
No. 2 over point नहीं आता बच्चा.
Ma'am, can I say
Remember, yes, Anushka.
0.0104?
Yes.
Ma'am, the answer
And
is
0.0104.
0.0104. So can I do it here on the board?
Ma'am, it's so big.
It's not so big. 0.0624. 6 zeros are 0.
0.
Point will go up, right? Then again there is a 0. The 0 is coming down.
0.
It will be 0. We bring the 6 now. 1 the 6. Then you subtract it. Okay. Then the 0 is coming. Then 2 is coming. Now,
Ma'am, is my right?
when it is not going to 2,
I'm
right?
0.
And to bring the next value down, so we
Zero.
put the 0 here. क्योंकि दूसरी वैल्यू नीचे लाने के लिए हम डेसिमल नहीं लगा सकते अब. Decimal we have already put it big time. Though 0 will come and then we can bring the next number down. Now it will be 6 4s are 24. So this is the answer 0.0104. Kevna has completed.
Ma'am, I have done. Completed, I have.
Done. Ariman,
I'm writing.
I have also completed.
please write.
Me too.
Very good, Anushka. Rudra.
Ma'am, I have
Those who are
completed, but
actively
I cannot
participating.
show you.
There is nothing visible.
Ma'am, then can I say something?
Yes, Kush is done. Yes, Kush Ahuja. Jahan Agarwal done. Lakshya done. Ridhan, Gunav.
Done, ma'am. Ma'am, those who have done have to leave.
Yeah, thank you, students. Those who are happy Diwali to all
Bye,
of
ma'am.
you.
Happy
Bye
Diwali.
bye. Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Bye bye.